If you have a house in Norwood, Ohio, and you're looking to sell and you want to sell easily and fast and conveniently, and you want to get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Norwood, Ohio, and I'm going to briefly explain why so many sellers in Norwood prefer to work with a buyer like us rather than a traditional buyer who's using a loan and needs to qualify for financing and that type of buyer. So first and foremost, people love us because we're an as-is buyer. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't have to fix anything. There's no handyman you need to hire, no going to the Home Depot. You don't need to clean anything, so you don't need to pull out the broom and the dustpan or the paper towels and the Windex. And you don't need to haul anything away. So you can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything you don't want, just leave behind and we'll take care of for you. What allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we are a true cash buyer. So we don't need to qualify for a loan or financing. That's like a traditional buyer. A traditional buyer who's using financing, it could be more costly for you, and it could be longer and less flexible, and it could actually be more complicated because anyone using financing, they're going to need to send through a thorough inspector for your house. We don't do this, but a traditional buyer typically will. And this inspection is pretty thorough. It's pretty intrusive if you ask me, but they're going to test every electrical outlet and open and close all the doors and the windows. And really what they're going to do is just compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house. And that can only be used against you as the seller. They can only ask for extensions, and maybe it blows up the deal and kind of you got to go back to square one now, or maybe they're going to want credits or discounts or renegotiate with you, and we don't do that. So we don't do any of this, thorough inspection. And then also with a traditional buyer, if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. And the appraiser typically represents the bank. They got the bank's best interests in mind, certainly not yours. And we all know they can pull the rug out from under this thing and kind of kill the deal, send you back to square one. It's a huge waste of time, but it's not just a waste of time in real estate, it's a waste of money, because every day that goes by that you haven't sold your house in Norwood because you're having to jump through hoops and kind of wait on third parties and wait on this other stuff, it's another day that you got to pay utilities, insurance, property taxes, and just a huge opportunity cost. So with us, you don't have any of that. We're a direct buyer. We're going to give you a fair cash price for your house in Norwood. And if you have a house in Norwood and you want to at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we're very familiar and very active in Norwood. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline so we can accommodate those needs. If you need to move quickly and sell quickly, we can do that. If you need more flexibility and you want to set a future target date, we can do that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Norwood. If it works for you, great. If not, that's okay too. So there's no pressure or games or gimmicks or sales tactics, and we're not here to waste your time. So if you have a house in Norwood and you want to at least see what your options are or sell to a cash buyer with no fees, commissions, or middleman fees or anything like that, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.